Hey, do you want to significantly increase the reach of your job advertisements? Google for Jobs accurately recognizes your applicant's location and by default only shows results within a very limited radius. Imagine this. A qualified applicant is looking for a new job from their home in a small village. Your position in the city isn't even displayed to them, just because it's a few miles outside their standard search radius, even though commuting is completely normal for them. This is exactly where our intelligent radius search helps. Your jobs are automatically displayed in up to 10 additional locations within a 12-mile radius. I'll now briefly show you how to unlock this reach boost for your account and reach talents in the surrounding area as well. Click on the briefcase icon at the top and select one of your job advertisements. Then scroll down to the radius search section. As you can see here in the map view, the system shows you the exact difference. The standard view is limited. The intelligent radius search, on the other hand, covers the entire surrounding area. If you cannot use this function, it is not included in your package. To be able to use it, you simply need to upgrade your price package. As soon as the upgrade is active, the radius search will be unlocked here immediately, and you can use it for your ads with a single click. My tip: use the upgrade to reach all talents in your region. Intelligent search is the key to more visibility. Just go to Packages and Add-ons to update your package and utilize the full reach. Think about it.